Welcome to Techfus Arena, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting and uniquely Australian defence concepts to ever hit the aerospace scene, the Kangaroo Strycue M9. This isn't just another fighter aircraft, and it's definitely not your typical next-gen prototype. The M9 represents a bold shift in the way Australia imagines air power, combining cutting-edge strike capability, homegrown engineering, and an identity that's unmistakably ours. So settle in, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the Strycue M9 is being called the Skyroo of the future battlefield. The story of the Kangaroo Strycue M9 begins with a simple question from Australia's defence planners: how do you protect one of the largest airspaces on Earth with a fleet that's fast, flexible, and strong enough to respond to any threat? With distances stretching thousands of kilometers across open ocean and rugged desert, the RAF needed something that wasn't just powerful, but efficient, resilient, and able to operate even in harsh and remote regions. The M9 became the answer, a strike fighter concept designed not only for modern combat, but for the uniquely Australian operational environment. From the very first glance, the M9 stands out. Its airframe carries an aerodynamic sweep inspired by advanced delta wing fighters, but with a distinctive blended body curve that reduces drag while improving lift across long-distance missions. Engineers say it almost looks like the posture of a kangaroo mid-leap, with its forward stance and elevated rear stabilizers, a design choice that's not just cosmetic. The Strycue's shape gives it enhanced maneuverability at both high and low speeds, making it ideal for dogfights, strike missions, and long-range patrol operations. At the heart of the Kangaroo Strycue M9 is the twin-cycle hyper-thrust engine system. This setup uses a combination of traditional turbofan performance paired with a high-output booster mode that kicks in when maximum acceleration or high-altitude power is required. The M9 can cruise economically over vast distances, then surge into combat mode when the situation demands it. Reports suggest the booster mode can push the M9 past Mach 2.4, giving it enough speed to intercept threats quickly or disengage from hostile zones before enemy systems can lock on. But what makes the M9 even more impressive is its low observable architecture. It integrates stealth shaping, composite materials, and heat diffusion exhaust channels that reduce infrared visibility. This isn't meant to replace 5th-gen stealth aircraft but to create a hybrid, something between a stealth striker and a high-speed interceptor. In other words, it's built for the unpredictable environments Australia faces, where a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't cut it. Inside the cockpit, the Strycue M9 is a pilot's dream. The panoramic augmented reality canopy gives the operator a full 360-degree live tactical projection, essentially turning the cockpit into a floating digital battlespace. Touch-sensitive controls are integrated across the armrests and holographic display panels, allowing pilots to switch between weapons, drones, and mission modes without taking their eyes off the sky. And like the latest RAF upgrades, the M9 features AI-assisted threat detection, flight optimization, and automated emergency maneuvers that kick in when the fighter is under heavy pressure. When it comes to weapons, the Kangaroo Strycue M9 is built for versatility. It supports long-range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided air-to-surface weapons, anti-ship systems, and electronic warfare pods. The internal weapons bay enhances stealth, but for heavy missions, the M9 can expand into an external loadout system capable of carrying advanced strike packages. Imagine a fighter that can go from a stealthy interceptor to a full strike platform within hours. That's the flexibility Australian forces have been asking for. One of the most unique features of the M9 is its integrated drone wing system. The aircraft can deploy 2 compact autonomous drones stored internally, each designed for reconnaissance, electronic jamming, or even conducting precision strikes. These drones, known as Joey X units, yes, keeping with the Kangaroo theme, extend the M9's combat footprint dramatically. They can scout ahead, confuse enemy radar, or help guide weapons onto priority targets. This gives the pilot an unmatched level of control over the battlefield, turning a single fighter into an entire miniature strike package. But what really sets the Kangaroo Strycue M9 apart from other defense concepts worldwide is its rugged operating profile. Australia's military doesn't just operate from polished megabases, it often works from remote strips, makeshift runways, and bushland environments. The M9's landing gear and intake system are designed to handle rough, dusty surfaces, giving it the ability to refuel, rearm, and relaunch even when far from major infrastructure. For a nation spread as wide as Australia, that's not just an advantage, it's a necessity. The digital backbone of the M9 includes secure satellite networking, AI-enhanced mission data systems, and real-time interoperability with naval, ground, and air assets. Whether it's coordinating with the RAN's fleet, supporting special forces, or flying alongside drones and loyal wingman systems, the Strycue M9 is built for a future where all branches of defense operate as one seamless force. And thanks to Australian engineering, the aircraft uses a modular design that allows for rapid updates. If new missiles, sensors, or electronic systems are developed, they can plug directly into the M9 without needing a full redesign. Of course, any aircraft bearing the name Kangaroo Structuring carries more than just tactical expectations, it represents a national symbol. The idea behind the name is simple: strong, fast, resilient, and always moving forward. Aussie engineers wanted something that wasn't just high-tech, but proudly homegrown, something that tells the world that Australia isn't just buying its military capability, it's building it. And with every prototype and lab simulation report, it's becoming clear that the M9 represents a new era for Australia's presence in the air. As we wrap up, the Kangaroo Structuring M9 stands as a bold vision of what Australian air power could look like in the next decade. It's fast, stealth-capable, drone-enhanced, long-range, AI-assisted, and rugged enough for the harshest conditions the continent can offer. It's not just a fighter, it's a future-ready strike platform built on Australian innovation and designed to protect the nation's skies with next-level capability. Thanks for watching Techfus Arena. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Kangaroo Structuring M9, make sure to like the video, drop a comment about what defense concept you want us to cover next, and subscribe for more Aussie-made military analysis. Stay sharp, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.